we wash hands. So it's a little experiment for kids and it's fun for them also. So let's get started. So what do we need is, we need any kind of soap, even soap powder, but we use the liquid one. And then
water.
Yes, we need water, any kind. And
Black pepper.
black pepper. So you need black pepper. The black pepper will be play roles as a, what is it? Germ. So the black pepper will, let's pretend that the black pepper is the germs or the virus plates, and we are going to pour water in the plate and we will put the black pepper inside. So once you pour the water, wait. So once you pour the water here, and you need to put some
Black
pepper. And then we got this. So this is this will play as a germs or virus. So here we will put soap. Any kind of soap will do.
Yeah.
Then first of all, we will put our hands here in the water that has germs. So if you will just try to put your hand, Samantha.
Now I'm going to dip my finger in the germs, which is the black pepper.
And what happened? So the germs is there, still there, right? Because you just use water. So and now we are going to use soap. So dip your finger in the soap, Samantha. Dip your finger in the soap and put it back in the germ. So what happened? Did you saw that? The germs move away. The germs goes away because you use soap.
So guys, don't forget to wash your hands with soap to remove the germs.
Thank you guys for
watching.
watching.
We hope you like the video.
Yes, we hope you enjoy our video today, and don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
also share, and don't forget to click on the notification bell.